Hello there. So today we are going to talk about economics. And so the first question we would ask ourselves is, what is economics? Well, economics is simply the study of the efficient allocation of resources or the study of scarce resources that have alternative uses. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example. So supposing we have an economic agent called Nana. Okay, so let's say Nana has a budget of $1,000. Okay, so Nana has unlimited desires. Okay, so let's say in this case she wants to buy an iPhone, an iPad, and then a MacBook. So suppose the iPhone costs $900, the iPad costs $300, and then the MacBook costs $2,000. Okay, so in this example here, we can see that the MacBook is out of range. Okay, so she wouldn't be able to afford that. So she has to choose between the iPhone and the iPad. So that's simply what economics is all about. Okay, so that said, let's talk about the main branches of economics. Okay, so there are two main branches of economics. You have microeconomics and then you have macroeconomics. Some of the other branches include mathematics for economists and then econometrics. Okay, so with microeconomics, it simply looks at decision making at the individual level. Okay, so you would study the decision making of the economic agent, strategic interaction between economic agents, and then markets and welfare. Okay, and now let's talk about macroeconomics. So macroeconomics studies the economy as a whole. Okay, so in macroeconomics, you study concepts like inflation, money, unemployment, and business cycle. Okay, and then mathematics for economics. So with mathematics for economics, I like to think of it as the framework for economics, or the foundation of economics. So it essentially gives economic structure. Okay, so in mathematics for economics, the key concepts you study will be set theory, linear algebra, and row analysis. Okay, and econometrics. So econometrics simply refers to the use of the study of statistical techniques used to make sense of data. Okay, so it's used to make sense of economic phenomena. Okay, so let's look at our econ tree. I like to visualize the whole concept. So I'm going to draw an econ tree so that it makes sense. Okay, so this is our econ tree. Okay, so here we have our main branches. That is microeconomics and macroeconomics. Okay, underpinning it's the mathematics for economics for economists. Okay, and I'd like to think of econometrics as an offshoot, okay, of these three. And then we have smaller branches, okay, which are the fields in economics. So we have health economics and then labor economics. I put it on that side because you tend to see more elements of microeconomics in those fields of economics. And then you have public finance and international economics. Okay, so we tend to see more macroeconomic analysis in those fields of economics. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.